Emra Shebedweni edima adehye wobosomtwe Adutwum pesua so Dr.Yaw Osei Adutwum na woka animonyamfo awomu ayi omutisi ompeso omugina sefranka tufo edima NPP amanyokuo no ewa fimpinu na duenu nwotwe abato ebekoso ewo mamu ne dei amanyokuo mu atitafo bi akofa nomination forms ama wonimonyamfo
Esanse NPP amanyoko ni Frank tufa kwa kukudamfo miensa yano no mampani dada abedi Dr. Mahamadu Baumia enwachi woni munyamfo Kennedy okompreku Japan afenso kanesafo no shoman Ghana disua ho nsem so woni munyamfo Dr.Yaw Osei Adutwum akukudamfo miensa na opese wo mu baako Frank tuni dima NPP amanyoko sekoba ne senyame yadom na se yekoto aba wa fimpinu ne adonu nwotwe emu a se enkunimdie no ko edema NPP amanyoko na emu baako na opese wofa abenwa no etna so anonam so amane de ade se NPP amanyoko titafo bi akofa nomination forms no ebia wode akwakoma wonimonyamfo Dr.Yaw Osei Adutwum esanse wopese wono na wogina edema NPP amanyoko no ese franketuni wochese wonimugidie ne awrehemu wapa sanema hodo bia na sanema waye ede abo man no ewo emfie bi atwamunti wo mu awrehemu pa senyame adom na sobe mampani di mo man ya enema bebre na no betimi aye no de abo man Ghana anonam so ama emprempriano ade se wonimonyamfo Dr.Yaw Osei Adutwum enso abekasa na wochese ade atitafo no aye no nani so ye pa se wom etimenya ne mugidie na wom pese wono na wonye frankentuni fama NPP amanyoko no na wogide awrehemu mapa se na wom ahyase sa no de bekwa weye pa esanse gide wom anya wonimu kra dansede kase.
I'm very grateful to all of you, to Chairman Bio, my campaign chairman, who also led and made sure that everything has been done well. I'm very grateful. All those who came from far and near, Greater Accra, everywhere, I'm so grateful for coming and also for making sure this event has become successful. We've done our very best, from the first president to the current president. Each one of them have done something great. Yet, we have a lot to do. And that is what the Adutwum presidency will be about. My party, give me the opportunity, provide a bridge for me to cross to the other side. And once we get to the other side of the river, we are going to meet Ghanaians and let Ghanaians know that our future is going to be better than the present and the past. That is what we are about. This is not politics as usual.